This is part 2 of finding the volume of prisms and cylinders. And just remember those 3D figures are alike because they both have two congruent bases. So we're going to use the same approach. So when you're finding the volume of a cylinder, it's exactly the same as a prism. We're going to do the area of the base, which is big B, times the height. So when you think about what is the base of a cylinder, well, let's go over here and kind of review. It's a circle. So you're finding the area of the base, which is a circle. And then we want to do the height of the cylinder. So let's see what we know in this problem. It tells us that the diameter is 16, so that's all the way across. The diameter is 16, which means the radius would be half of that. It would be 8. It also tells us that the altitude, which is the height, the altitude forms the right angle. It tells us it's 17. So we can actually find the volume of this 3D figure. So we're going to do area of a circle, which is pi r squared, times the height of that cylinder. So area of the base is going to be pi times 8 squared, which is 64 pi. So you've been finding area for several sections. So you're not doing anything different. You're still finding that two-dimensional area. And then you're going to multiply it by that third dimension, the height. So in this case, the height of that cylinder is 17. And so you're going to do 64 times 17. And if you leave that answer in terms of pi, you would get 1088 pi. It is volume, so we're going to label that inches cubed because you're dealing with a 3D object.